Hello friends, let's solve one activity based question from the topic arithmetic progression. Question is, find the sum of all odd numbers from 1 to 150. So to solve this question we have one activity, so we have to complete this. So the first step is 1 to 150, all the odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7 up to 149, because 150 is not an odd number, it is even number, so we should take up to 149. Here we have to find the sum of all these numbers 1, 3, 5, 7 up to 149. So as this is an AP, because the difference between any two successive terms is constant, it is difference between 1 and 3 is 2, 3 and 5 is 2, 5 and 7 is 2, and so on. So as the difference between any two successive terms is constant, that's why this is an AP, and we know the formula for finding the sum of first n terms of an AP, that is Sn is equal to n by 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is the first formula by which we can find the sum of all these terms in an AP. There is another formula, Sn is equal to n by 2 into bracket t1 plus tn. So we can also use that one. Now here we are going to solve this problem by both the methods. This is an AP, and for this AP we have the first term and the common difference. So the first term a is 1, so which is needed in this formula, and the common difference is 2. And how many terms are there? So n is equal to 75, because as there are numbers from 1 to 150, so these all numbers are 150, but from these we need only odd numbers. So half of them must be all the odd numbers. So as total 150 numbers are there, half of them, that means 75 numbers, are odd numbers. That's why here n is taken to be 75. So here we have the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So n is 75, so we should take 75 divided by 2 into bracket 2 into a, that is 2 into value of a is 1, plus n minus 1, that is 75 minus 1 into d, d is 2, bracket completes. So if we simplify this, we get Sn is equal to 75 divided by 2 into bracket 2 into 1, that's 2, plus 75 minus 1, that is 74 into 2. So that is equal to 75 divided by 2 as it is, into bracket 2 plus, so 74 into 2, that's 148, and 148 plus 2, it is 150. So these are the two terms here, that is 75 divided by 2, this is the first term, and the second term is 150. Now if we divide 150 by 2, we get 75. So 75 into 75, it is 5625. So this is the sum of all these numbers. So we have solved this by the first method, in which first term, common difference, and the number of terms are there. If they are given, from that we can find the sum of all those terms in that AP. Now suppose if for any arithmetic progression the common difference is not there, then we can use the second formula where common difference does not involve. So Sn is equal to n divided by 2 into bracket t1 plus tn, that is the, if we have the first term of that AP and the last term of that AP, we can use this formula to find the sum of all those terms in that AP. So 75, n is replaced by 75 by 2 into bracket t1, that is the first term, is 1, and tn, that is the last term, is 149. So here we get 75 divided by 2 into 149 plus 1, that is 150. Again here if we divide 150 by 2, we get 75, and 75 into 75, it would be 5625. So in both the cases we get the same answer. So we have to choose the formula according to our need. That means if the common difference is given over here, then we can use the first formula, and instead of a common difference, only the first term and the last term is given, then we can use the second formula. So this is how we can find sum of all the terms in given AP. Thanks for watching.